Team coverage to News 4 investigator Lauren Traeger. Lauren's focusing on new testing sites for those in some of the most at-risk areas. Lauren?
Yeah, that's right, Steve. Well, at this hour, we are still waiting for St. Louis County to release their data on positive cases broken down by zip code. The city released that data yesterday, and it did reveal there were some pockets of cases on the city's north side, though some people expect that number to jump if more testing sites and people could get tested more easily.
We really have no idea to the full extent of the problem in North St. Louis and therefore in the rest of the city, because the fact is that we've only tested a minuscule amount of the population.
Adolphus Pruitt of the NAACP is concerned people in disadvantaged parts of the region may be disproportionately impacted by the coronavirus. That's why he and others are glad testing sites are now opening on the city's north side.
Without having testing, then it does seem like our community is being left behind.
Angela Claybon, CEO of Care STL Health, says this testing site opening Monday accommodates drive-through testing and is also accessible to public transportation. They can administer 2,500 tests in the next 2 weeks.
This is so important for us because our community, they don't have access to go to South County in our BJC. That means they would have to travel via bus and other means of transportation, which place the community at risk.
They hope to have more locations as they join a growing number of testing sites in the region. We asked Mayor Lyda Krewson if there were enough locations.
I feel like our testing sites are in pretty good shape. What we need are the tests.
Thousands more tests, she says, they're working to get.
But before we have that additional testing, which of course we're ordering from everywhere and trying to get from the federal government, we all have to behave as if this is a very serious situation, which it is, and therefore we've got to change our behavior and take those steps.
And that change of behavior, of course, is abiding by the stay-at-home orders. Now, Mayor Krewson says that if you are looking to get tests, that she recommends that you should call your doctor first if you have one, and they can direct you to possibly a testing location. She says she is also looking to track the number of people that are hospitalized in all of this. But again, at this hour, we are also still waiting for St. Louis County to release their data by zip code on the number of positive cases. Reporting live in St. Louis County, Lauren Traeger, News 4.